Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a will writing service with trust and will easy tutorial step by step clearly. Starting a will writing service can be a rewarding venture. Begin by researching the legal requirements in your area. Familiarize yourself with the laws surrounding wills and estate planning. Consider taking a course or obtaining certification in will writing. Next, select a business structure that suits your needs. This could be a sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited liability company. After deciding on your business structure, register your business. Acquire any necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. Now, choose a suitable name for your will writing service. Make sure it's unique and reflects the nature of your business. Develop a business plan outlining your goals and target market. Include an analysis of your competitors and potential pricing strategies. To operate your service smoothly, invest in reliable software. Trust and Will offers user-friendly solutions for creating and managing wills. Sign up for their service to gain access to essential tools. Explore their features, focusing on how they can enhance your offerings. Create templates for different types of wills to cater to various client needs. Consider offering additional services like estate planning or trust creation. Market your services through a professional website and social media platforms. Highlight your expertise and the benefits of using your service. Network with local attorneys and financial advisors for referrals. Establish a clear pricing structure to ensure transparency with clients. Set up a secure system for storing client information. Educate your clients about the will writing process. Be prepared to answer common questions and address concerns. As you grow, seek feedback from clients to improve your services. Consider expanding your offerings based on client demand. Continuously update your knowledge about laws and regulations in estate planning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.